Let me show you how to block someone on Instagram even if they have already blocked you. The key is finding a way to get to their profile page, and there are a few methods that usually work. First, open Instagram. Now, try searching for their account by using the search bar. Type the username or the name and check under the account section. Sometimes their profile may appear even if they have blocked you, but if it does not, there's another simple trick. Go back to your feed, open any random post and tap the comment icon. In the comment box, type the symbol followed by the username to tag them. Once you send the comment, the tagged username becomes clickable. Tap it to open their profile, then tap three dots in the top right corner and select block. This method works for most of the users, but if it does not, there is one last option. Open a web browser. Now in the search box, type in Instagram followed by the username and search. When their Instagram profile shows up in the results, tap it to open their page in the Apple browser. From there, just tap three dots again and block them. This gives you multiple ways to block someone even if they have blocked you first. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.